In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Adobe InDesign. To start, open the Windows search box and type Creative Cloud. When Adobe Creative Cloud appears in the search results, click on it to open the app. Since Adobe InDesign requires Creative Cloud to function, you will have Creative Cloud installed if you already have InDesign on your device. Once Creative Cloud opens, go to the Apps section from the left side of the screen. In the Apps section, scroll down until you find InDesign listed among the installed apps. Click on InDesign and you will see three small dots next to the Open button. Click on these dots and from the drop-down menu, select Uninstall. After clicking Uninstall, you will be asked if you want to keep the interface settings, plugins, and other preferences, or remove them completely. After making your selection, the uninstallation process will begin, and you will see a progress bar showing the percentage of completion. Once the uninstallation is complete, InDesign will be removed from your device. If you are not using any other Adobe services, you can also uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud. To do this, open the Windows search box again and type Add or Remove Programs. When the System Settings window opens, scroll down to find Adobe Creative Cloud in the list of installed programs. Click on it and then select Uninstall. Confirm your choice by clicking Uninstall again, and Creative Cloud will be removed from your device. By following these steps, you can completely uninstall Adobe InDesign from your computer.